Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Princess Kitchen once again. And today, guys, we are making peanut butter soup or Ghana and katenkwai. Let's go through the ingredients that we're going to use for this delicious soup. So, guys, let's go through the ingredients I'm going to need for this delicious peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. I have 1 teaspoon of anise seed, 3 bay leaves, tomato paste, salt, 2 cubes, the chicken. I bought the hand burnt one. I have the peanut butter or groundnut paste. I have 2 large onions and 1 small slice of it. I have 4 fresh tomatoes. I have ginger, garlic, and 7 peppers. Okay, I'm using 7 because my family we like pepper. Not too much pepper, but we love to eat pepper, right? Okay. So if you don't like pepper, please take only 1 or 2. Okay, so let's start the soup, guys. Guys, I have my chicken in the saucepan, so I'm adding all the ingredients to it. I've added my onion, my 2 cubes, salt to taste, and also add my 3 bay leaves. And I blended the anise seed, garlic, and ginger and onion together, and I rinse the blender and I cover it. So, guys, as I'm waiting for the chicken to steam for about 15 minutes, I will just blend my pepper and then get my strainer and a bowl and then strain it. Make sure you strain it. If you don't want it to be too hot, you have to strain it. Now, let's check the chicken. It's doing very well. The smell, everything is coming out nicely. So, I will just give it a quick stir and then cover for another 10 minutes. And then I will blend my peanut butter with 2 fresh tomatoes together. And make sure you strain that one too because you don't want the skin of the tomatoes to be in the soup, right? Now I've checked the chicken and I'm adding my blended pepper to it. Give it a quick stir and then I will add the onion and 3 fresh tomatoes to it. Then I will go ahead and add my tomato paste to it as well, 2 tablespoonfuls of it. Add to it and then I will take the fresh tomatoes out of the soup for now and leave the onion in it. And so you cover for about 5 minutes and then you add your peanut butter to it. And at this point, just give it a stir, taste to see if the salt is perfect for you. If it's not good enough, you can go ahead and add more salt to it. Okay, guys. So at this time, I will just get the onion from the soup and add to the fresh tomatoes that I took earlier on and blend together and add to it. So now I will just stir and leave it again for about 20 minutes. Make sure you clean the tip of the saucepan and remember, don't cover it. Don't cover it. Okay, so I rinsed the blender and I added to it as well. So guys, I will see you later. Now guys, see how beautiful the soup is looking. This is how we want the peanut butter to look, and it's so delicious. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so that you can see more beautiful stuff like this from Princess Kitchen. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can get all the updates. And oh yes, I'm eating this with rice ball or mutuo. And quite de no mutuo no mashede chi amemu afe na eka nkatenkwan yi. Oh, ebeko yie. Do this for the family and I know they're gonna love it for this Christmas. Until then, guys, we will meet another day. Stay blessed.